Hey, so if an AI tool is stuck in Clipdrop, yeah, like it's frozen on processing, loading forever, or not responding at all, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, just refresh the page. I mean, temporary glitches often cause AI tools to freeze. Next, yeah, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, slow or unstable internet can make the tool stuck forever. Now, use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, unsupported browsers can cause AI tools to freeze or not respond. Yeah, cached data can block AI processing. Clearing cache often fixes stuck loading issues. Now, extensions can interfere with Clipdrop scripts. Try turning them off temporarily. Yeah, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this removes cache and extension conflicts automatically. Now, very large or complex images can cause the AI to get stuck. Try using a simpler image. Yeah, sometimes Clipdrop servers are overloaded. I mean, this can make tools freeze for everyone. If nothing works, restart your browser or device. I mean, this resets stuck processes and connections. So, yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop AI tool stuck issues. Most of the time, it's browser problems, internet issues, or server load. Try these steps and it should start working again. Thanks for watching.